Breaking Team 9289. From Houston, Texas, the Vikings, sponsored by Texas Workforce Commission and the Village School.
In that high note, and they got it. $59-23 has another cone in its possession. Looking to put that up, out. Both of them inching forward. Oh, now stepping the other way. Got to back up, back it up, back it up.
So welcome to our FRC Robotics Lab. I'm going to be giving you a tour of our past robots as well as the space that we are in. So we are currently in the lab next to Mr. Ansari's room. Here to my right, you can see our robot from our past season. You might have also seen this more recently at the March of Nations. We competed with this robot last year that we built in 6 to 7 weeks, and this was our rookie robot. So here to my left, you can see our wall of equipment. So this table and kind of shelving system contains some of our technical machinery, such as the bandsaw, as well as some of our smaller tools and other usable materials. Inside of the cabinets, we occupy that space with our batteries as well as our...
So now I will be discussing sort of about FRC in general and what it represents. So first I'll start off with this quote from the FIRST website, which is the organization that runs FRC. It basically says that this is the closest thing you can get to a sport for pure STEM nerds, because the competitions are always very exciting, but it also requires a massive amount of brain power and planning in order to pull off. So how it works is every year they announce a competition themed around some STEAM application of robotics. So for example, this year is based around the arts with First Crescendo. And the game competition for this year is going to be announced, or the rules are going to be announced January 6th of 2024. It's usually announced around that time every year. And then afterwards, we have a 6-week period with which to brainstorm, prototype, and build the robot. And just plan out what we're going to do for the season. And then afterwards, we start with the qualifying competition rounds after the 6-week period.
So let's talk about our 2023 to 2024 season budget. So for the registration fee, we need $6,000. And for the materials, we need $3,000. They are basically what we use to build the robot. And we need $1,100 for the electronic parts, which like motors, sensors, and other stuff like that. And for materials, we need $400. That is to build a practice field that we can practice to like throwing game pieces, just like we will eventually do on the events. And we need $700 for uniforms and badges. And for tools, we need $1,000, which is like screwdrivers, wrenches, drill, something like that. And for transportation, like between the school to the events, we need around $750. And for the miscellaneous, we need like about $1,300. That's basically 10% of the overall budget. And to be sum, we need around $11,850 for this season.
The Robotics Club needs your financial support and sponsorship to overcome their budget deficit. If you're interested, please reply here or contact Mr. Ansari or Mr. Newman. Thanks for watching.